Good afternoon, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Naskaptaram. So today we are going to see another topic on HP. So what is that topic? How to find a position of a term in HP. Okay. So let's start today's session now. Suppose A1, A2, A3, and somewhere is B. Okay. This is HP. Okay. So let's say this is 1. Okay. So a question can be asked, what is the position of B in the HP given in 1? Okay. Now we know that 1 is HP if 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, 1 upon A3, and so on, 1 upon B, and so on. Okay. This is AP. This is AP. So let's say 2. Okay. So the position of B in HP 1 is equal to the position of 1 upon B, okay, in AP2. Okay. So finding the position of a term in HP is equivalent to finding the position of its inverse in corresponding AP. Okay. And we know how to find a position of a term in AP. You see my lecture, position of a term in AP. You can go to my YouTube channel and you can see the video, okay, or lecture. So now it will be clear by example how to find a position of HP, a position of a term in HP. So I am writing example that will make it clear. So example 1. Let 1 upon 3, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 17, 1 upon 24, 1 upon 31 be a HP. Then what is the position of 1 upon 101 in this HP? Okay. Solution. So HP is given this. Okay. 1 upon 24, 1 upon 31, and so on. Somewhere is 101, and so on. This is given HP. So what will the corresponding AP? The corresponding AP is AP is 3, 10, 17, 24, 31, and 101 is here answer. So position of 1 upon 101 is position of 101 is this in it. Okay. So let position of 101 in this AP is n. So if the position is n, it is nth term of this is AP. So this implies B is equal to 101. Okay. And that is nth term. And what is the formula of n term? A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A here? A is first term 3. And how we will calculate common difference? D is nothing but 10 minus 3. Or you can calculate by 17 minus 10 or you by 24 minus 17. That will come out 7. So what is this? 101 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So solve this. Sorry. So this term is, so 101 is nth term. So I am not writing G here because G is term in H. So if I will say this B, there will be some confusion. I am writing directly. The position of 101 is nth place. So 101 is nth term A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So solve it. So this is 101 minus 3, 1 n minus 1 into 7. So this is 98 n minus 1 into 7. So this is 1, 4. So it means 14 is equal to n minus 1. This implies n is 15. Okay. Okay. Hence, the position of 1 upon 101 in the given HP is at 15th place. Okay, so this is the answer. Now say second example. Let 1 upon 11, 1 upon 21, 1 upon 31, like that. Okay, be a HP. What is the position of 1 upon 201 in this HP? Okay, so we will do similarly as we have done example 1. Okay, so what is the given HP? So given HP is 1 upon 11, 1 upon 21, 1 upon 31, and so on. Somewhere is 201, and it is going. So this is given HP. So corresponding AP is the corresponding AP is 1, 11, 21, 31, and somewhere 201 will be there, and so on. So let 201 in this AP, let 201 in this AP is at nth place. So if it is nth place, the nth term is 201. So nth term is 201 is nth term of this AP. And nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A here? A is nothing but 1. What is D? 11 minus 1, that is 10. Or you can say 21 minus 11, that is 10. Or you can say 31 minus 21. You can calculate anyway, okay? Because this is AP. Now put all these value here, the value of A and D. So this is 201. What is the value? You put in this formula 1 plus n minus 1 into 10. So this is 201 minus 1 n minus 1 into 10. So this is 200 n minus 1 into 10. So 1 0 will be cancelled out. So this implies 20 is equal to n minus 1. So what is n? N is 21. Okay. Hence 1/201 in the given HP is at 21st place. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much.